Okay. Shh. Number 7. Yes or no? Number 8. Circle the 2 8s. Okay, turn the page. 159 at the bottom. Yes or no? Why not? And 2 on the 71. Okay, look at 160. Look at 160. Number 4. Shh. Number 4, is that going to be a function? Yes. Okay, let's write the points. 3, 12, 6, 9, 8, and 12, 4. Are the x's repeated? So it's a yes. Okay, number 5, yes or no? Why not? Circle the 4s. Circle the 4s. Okay, down at the bottom. Weights and shipping costs, yes or no? Yes, the pencil test. Pencil test. Okay, turn the page. 161. 8. And 9? Why not? 2 5s. Okay, now. Is this making more sense now? Okay. Go to your, everybody go to your, well, let's look at, let's do number 11 before we turn the page. Number 11, yes or no? None. I'm the only one that brought them last year, and I hadn't brought mine. Guys, right here. This is a yes. Why is it a yes? Only one on each vertical line. Okay, turn the page. Everybody look at 15 real quick. Draw me 2 ovals. We're doing the mapping. Doing the mapping. On 15, just draw 2 ovals. Okay, I need 3 different numbers. Go. 13. Okay, I need 4 different numbers. Okay. All right. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to draw 15 to 7, 5 to 7. Oh, wait. No, I'm sorry. I wasn't supposed to do that. 5 to 6. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. 5 to 6. Well, that would have been okay. 5 to 1 and 13 to 9. So 15 to 7, 5 to 6, 5 to 1, 13 to 9. Yes or no? Somebody that said no. Tell me why. Jay. Because there's 2 5s. There would be 2 5s. Where? There would be 2 5s. Guys, if I push button 5 on the Coke machine, do I want 2 different things? No, I want one thing. I cannot push button 5 and maybe get an orange. No. No. And did you hear what Jay said? There would be 2 5s. There would be a 5 6 and a 5 1. There would be 2 5s. They just were lazy and just put 1 5 there. So that's a no. Okay, come over here. Put y equals -3. Y equals -3. With your arm, show me what y equal -3 looks like. It's a line. Show me what it's going to look like. Okay. Now, everybody take your calculator. Right now, take your calculator. Hit y equals. Well, turn it on first. Hit y equals in the corner. The top left gray button, y equals. Clear that equation that might be in there. The top left gray button. Guys, look at me. I have got a very, very fun activity I want to do with you guys, but I can't do it until everybody can pay attention and follow directions. And that's a big problem with every class. We can't follow directions. We can't. I'd say one button and y'all can't find it. The top left gray button. Y equals. The reason I say it is because some of your Y equals is rubbed off. Okay? Now I want you to hit -3. Not -3, but -3. Now you're going to go hit graph, which is the top right button. Hit graph. Were y'all right? Yes. Thank you. Y equals -3 is horizontal. Is this a function? Yes. No. Pencil test. No. Okay. Vertical, I'm going to move my pencil across here. Is 1 point from that line on my pencil at any time? Yes, it's a yes. Guys, when you're answering, please just say it one time. Don't just keep repeating yourself. That's annoying. Y equals, guys, that is a function. The pencil test. Does everybody understand why? It's a yes. Too many people were saying no. Okay. Now, write Y equals 2x minus 1. What kind? Don't do anything yet. What kind of form is that? Yay. So what do you know since it's in that form? It's linear but not proportional. Yay, Jay. Listen, it's linear. Stop and look at me. That's another reason we can't do that activity yet. We don't know when to focus on what I'm saying. Too many people are looking down the calculator. Take your pencil and show me. Jay just told you guys that's linear because it's in this form. So take your pencil and show me what that's going to look like. Take your pencil and show me in the air what that line's going to look like. If you did this, you're right. Why is it going to go up? What's positive? Slope. The slope is positive. There were too many people looking around, I think. I don't know if you didn't know or you were trying to see if you were right or see if anybody else was right. But guys, that slope is positive. That means it's going up. We should all know that now. Do we? Okay. So is this, go to Y equals again. Clear that. Hit 2. You see the green alpha button? Don't hit it. Hit the one beside it. That's X. -1. Hit graph. And what did we say? It's a line that's going to go up. Look at there. Isn't that cool? So that is a yes, isn't it? It's a function. Right? Pencil test. Everybody understands pencil test? You're sure? Positive. Okay. All right. Now. Okay. Close your book. I want you to look up here. Get your calculator ready. You're going to do something for me. On your calculator, I need you to find out if this is proportional or not. And I'm coming by to check. I need you to see if it's proportional or not. And I'm coming by to check. Yes. No. No. Go to second quick to get over that graph. Yes. It's right beside the second Yes. Yes. No. No. Let's go to this one. This one. No. Oh, not the same. Oh, that's the same. Oh, no. Yes. Nope. Okay. What did you have to do? Guys, it's official. It's official. I've talked about this for 5 solid weeks. We started on this 5 weeks ago. Today. Every period I had 3 or 4 that didn't have a clue what to do. And we talked about it again. We talked about it every week for 5 weeks. Not every day, but we talked about it every week. Last week we talked about it 2 whole days. If it's proportional, all you're going to do is divide y by x. That's all. That's all you have to do is divide y by x. Did it work? Yes. Was it proportional? No. 9 divided by 3 does not equal 13 divided by... Yeah, that process works to find out, but this is a no, right? Right. Okay, so, everybody get that? How to find out if it's proportional. Now, let's see if it's linear. If it's linear, I can write it in this form. Guys, and I'm going to tell you something. I understand now why some of you have not liked math. Because you go and do the most horrible, long process to get an answer. I wouldn't like it either. The first day of school, and several times again, I promised you I'm going to show you an easy way to do stuff. Right? And I kept my promise. Guys, how do we see if it's in this form? Do I go take all my answers and see if it works for that chart? No, I do not. And that's what some people did. They went and used every equation to see if it was, which one it was, which equation worked. Guys, tell them what all you have to do. Go get the slope. Changing y over changing x. So what is the change in y? 4. What's the change in y? X. 1. Change in y? 4 over 1. So I'm going to go 4 over 1, which is 4. What is 4? The slope. So y equals, where am I going to put 4? You are joking me. You mean m is 4, so I'm going to put 4 under m? Thank you, girls. If m is 4, then 4 is going to go under m because m is 4. So m is 4, so 4 is going to... I've got people that don't know that. I've got people that go find that and then go put it somewhere crazy. That is 4. M is 4, so under m, put 4. That's not that complicated. Now, to find the y-intercept, we could count backwards, but on this problem, it's not that easy. So it's easier just go use your equation. 4 times 3 is 12. I've got to get to 9. Good. 4 times 4 minus 3. 4 times 5 minus 3. Well, look at there. There's my equation. I did not have to go use every answer choice to find out what it was. And that's what some of you want to go do. Look how easy that was. Simple. Simple, simple. Okay, now. Guys, please. this was in your book, and I forgot, and I just ran it off, so you start on that time. As I pass this down, I want you to listen. My brother started off working at STI, making very little money, and he was doing a job he did all the things that nobody else wanted to do. Clean up, sweep, carry out the trash. He got married and decided, you know what, I need to make more money. So, he started going to technical school at night and on weekends, and it was hard. But as soon as he graduated, he doubled his salary. As soon as he graduated. Because he was trained. And so, guys, that's what we've got to do, is get trained in something. Electrician, plumber, welder, teacher, doctor, nurse, lawyer, whatever, x-ray technician. If you get trained, then you're going to make more money and get to do the things that you are interested in doing. Not have to do what somebody else doesn't want to do. Okay? So what we're going to do is figure out cost to go to college. Okay? So get your calculator ready. You're going to need it. They did the first one for us. They were nice. Okay, this girl, June, she's trying to decide whether she really wants to go to A&M at Kingsville and live on campus. Okay, so really what she wants to do. Here's the cost. That's her tuition, room and board, books, other, which includes parking, transportation, and that kind of stuff. That is the total for 1 year. Everybody write 1 year by there. 1 year. If it takes her 4 years to get her degree, then she's going to spend a total of $81,984 to go there 4 years. Does that make sense? Okay? Turn the page. Or 460. What are ways that you can earn money to go to college? Working. Getting a loan. Student loans. Part-time job. Yeah. Work. What about scholarship? Grant money. Okay? So, those are ways that you can put yourself through school. Now, military. You're right here. Now, yeah, that's a big one because they'll pay for all of it. Listen. When she looked at that number, she went, ugh, that's a lot of money. I wonder if I could save if I went to Delmar College in Corpus Christi for 2 years, then transferred. And that's what a lot of people do. And guess what? This is so weird, but Miss Kent went to Delmar in Corpus Christi. Okay, listen. A lot of kids that go to A&M or UT or something, they go to a community college first because it's cheaper. They go there 2 years and then transfer, and it saves them some money. Okay? So, if she's trying to decide, she's going to go to Delmar for 2 years and then transfer. And at Delmar College, these are the prices. $32.40 would be tuition, $5,600 for room and board, $1,410 for books, and then the other is going to be the same because her gas, all that's going to be the same because that won't change. Total that up. Okay, what'd you get? Okay. Now that's for 1 year at Delmar. Well, look, is that already cheaper? What's 1 year at A&M? $20,496. So she's already going to save money. She already knows that, right? Okay. So it says, suppose that she got her degree there, which is going to take her how many years? 4. No, at there. 2 to get her degree there. And so if I double that for me. There's another way we could do it, but I want to figure this out. So it's going to be what? 30,800 that's going to be 2 years at Del Mar. And then what's 2 years going to cost her at A&M? Yeah, 20,496 2 times. Because that's 1 year. So go double that. 20,496.
48,000.
I don't think it's 48,000, is it?
40,992.
Yeah. Okay. So that's going to cost her a total of $71,932 for 4 years. Right? Didn't we add it right? Did I add it right?
Yes.
Okay. So that's going to be what it's going to cost to go 4 years, Del Mar and then A&M. Well, what was 4 years total at A&M? 984. Good. So if I subtract that, then I'm going to find out how much money she's going to save going and doing that other plan. Aren't you just subtracting? So she's going to save $10,000 by doing that. That's a lot of money. So that's probably what she should do, huh? Go to the 2-year college and then transfer. All right? That makes sense to me. What?
I've
been there this too.
It's real nice.
Mm-hmm.
I go in there again.
Are you? That's good. Okay, now, so do y'all get that? That's not that hard, is it, to figure out cost and all that? Okay, close your book. I'm sorry. Look at the next page. In just a minute, you're gonna answer this question. You're gonna have some work. You better not circle and answer. But first, you're gonna do this 1-7. I'll just pass it. Let them pass it down. Thank you, though. Put your name, number, date, period. By each of these, name, number, date, period. By each of these, you're going to put yes or no. By each of these, yes or no, and there's 13. Don't skip number 7 and number 9 and number 10. Number 7 has the hole punched in it. Okay? You're going to write yes or no. Yes, it is a function. No, it's not. And then you're going to go turn it in. Don't start yet, okay? Hang on. And you're going to go turn it in. Then you're going to work on this question. This goes back in practice. When you're done, just put it back in practice. Any questions on what you're going to do? Yes. Put yes or no on 1-7. Put yes or no. Go turn it in the tray. And then work on this and put it back in practice. And you need a blinder or move.